Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Jillian here. Today we have an exciting unboxing. This year I decided I was going to be a lot more intentional about my designer purchases and purchases overall, and there are some bags on my wish list that I have been wanting for quite some time now. So I decided to start the hunt. Well, I have been hunting and I have been collecting over time, but this year I'm really going to focus on trying to check as many of those bags off of my list as possible. And I have in my hands one of the bags that I've been dying to get my hands on, and we're gonna unbox it right now. If you guys want to see what's in this box, and if you love videos like this, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So I get a lot of my bags from a few different places, but I love shopping on The RealReal. I've been shopping on The RealReal since like 2011. It's been a very long time, and that's where I happened to find this bag, and I'm so excited. So this is the dust bag that I came in because it did not come with its original dust bag, and I'm already peeking. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm living for it. 1, 2, 3, dun, da, da, da. It is the Christian Dior double saddle bag. This is from the Jean Galliano collection, 2001. And the thing about this bag that just really gets me is all I think about is the Sex and the City era. I cannot get over it. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I am so obsessed. So it actually comes with the lock and key. This is the lock right here. And I like the fact that this particular one has the 2 patches in the front, because depending on which one you get from this collection, this part is going to look different. And I just love the fact that these pockets are actually functional. It looks like a saddle bag no matter the way that you turn it, and it is the bowler style. It has a black denim on the back. It is lined with black denim on the bottom, and this the leather on it is, I want to say it's like navy blue. Yeah, I think it's navy blue, and you could definitely see the navy blue threading. The leather is kind of high shine. It's not quite patent leather, but I just am obsessed with this. I cannot wait to style this bag up. It's just one of those that I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of, just because of how much you can actually fit in here. I wanted to unbox this with you. I'm gonna be trying on this bag with some outfits, but I am so excited. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the authentication card, as well as the little key to the lock, which is right here. So you can actually close this bag and lock it up. I love that. What else do we have in here? So basically, I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag. It has so much room. So the inside of the bag has this little pocket right here. It also has a zip. And then on the other side, it has multiple pockets right there. So you can, like, you know, back in the day when we had like the Motorola Razr, or, you know, the Motorola phone with the game, the snake game on it. Yeah, that would fit perfectly in this pocket, or your BlackBerry. And it just has a lot of room. It's so spacious. And I love that about bags from this era, because we carried a lot of different things like that. And overall, the bag is just so special to me. This is definitely one for the archives. I do actually have my Christian Dior fur coat that you guys saw in my best thrift finds of 2022. Is actually from the same year, I believe, as this bag, or the year prior, but it's from the fall collection that fur coat is. So I just love that I am starting to really just get some of my dream pieces. I really would love to find some pieces from that collection that have the Dior newspaper print on it. That is gonna be a tough one to find. I did stumble across the jeans once, but they were not in my size. So yeah, that is kind of something I'm hoping to come across. But this is the first bag that I get to like take off of my wish list, and I'm so excited about it. Like, I literally want to switch all of my things into this bag right now, but I want to show you guys just a few of the ways that I would style a bag like this up. So yeah, I'm gonna try on some outfits and we're gonna get into it. Okay, this is a simple outfit or way that I would style this up. Obviously, you wanted to style it up with jeans. I have on my favorite Aeropostale jeans in the darker denim wash, and then I have on the YSL baby blue button-up that I thrifted. I also have on this moto style leather jacket, also thrifted, and then these shoes right here, which are my Chanel dark denim like mules, and I just felt like mixing dark and light denim for my bottom half with this. I'm really loving this. I went ahead and tucked my shirt behind my belt, which is a good way to kind of like show off that you're wearing a belt if you don't necessarily want to tuck in your button up, but you just kind of like, you know, you want to add a little styling detail. And this kind of goes back to what I was saying, where I was saying that basically sometimes how you style and like tuck and like arrange your clothing on your body is what kind of makes the look. So yeah, this is the first look right here. Very casual, very cute. I actually feel like I want to wear this. Like, I am in love with this outfit. A little bit edgy, casual. So yeah, I am so obsessed. I wear so much denim that I could literally go on and on and on and style so many more looks, but I'm gonna literally have to make myself put this bag down because I already know I'm gonna wear it into the ground, especially when summer hits. Yes, like this is gonna go with everything. Is gonna carry everything. I just love that for me. I have a few more bags that are on my, there's one bag on my list that is just like, I don't know if I'll ever find it, but you know, you never know. You put something out there and it just, you know, sometimes it just comes to you. This particular one is the one that I, like I said, I wanted the most. I did not think I was gonna be able to find it. I would even love to get the traditional saddle bag in this print, but again, like I said, this was my priority. This was the one that I wanted the most. So all in all, I am so thrilled, so happy I was able to find it. This is the second Rihanna bag that I've gotten because, as you guys know, I got the Fendi Spy bag and the one that she was seen wearing while she was pregnant, which was also on my wish list forever. You guys know in my best thrift finds of 2022, the story of how I got that bag. I like literally fought for that bag. So yeah, Rihanna, I will say, has some of the best taste in vintage bags. Like, if you just like watch her and the kind of bags that she picks, I just love her style and how edgy she can be, and she likes the non-traditional bags just like I do. So this is the bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys have anything on your wish list. Don't tell me what it is though. We like to gatekeep a little bit over here because we want to get what we want to get. We got to put ourselves first, you know what I'm saying? But let me know if there's anything on your wish list that you're dying to find, and I will send you all the good juju, all the prayers to get it this year if that is your heart's desire. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.